Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization by exploring some of the best icon packs available. Let's get started. Camo Dark Icon Pack. Camo Dark Icon Pack features a sleek and modern design with a dark theme that appeals to users who prefer a sophisticated aesthetic. Its icons are crafted with a unique camouflage style, offering a striking visual identity while maintaining clarity and readability. The pack contains a wide variety of icons that seamlessly blend together, providing a cohesive look for your device. whimsical Pro Icon Pack. This icon pack draws inspiration from contemporary design trends, presenting a vibrant and polished collection of icons that enhance the overall look of your device. whimsical Pro Icon Pack emphasizes a clean and minimalistic approach, making it ideal for users who appreciate simplicity combined with elegance. It offers a balanced selection of icons that work well with different themes and wallpapers. Shapes Adaptive Icon Pack. Shapes Adaptive Icon Pack is designed with a focus on versatility and modern aesthetics. It utilizes adaptive icon technology, which allows icons to adjust their shape for different launchers, creating a dynamic and visually appealing interface. The icons are characterized by simple geometric shapes and a balanced color palette, making them suitable for a wide array of applications while providing a fresh and contemporary look. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this overview of Camo Dark, whimsical Pro, and Shapes Adaptive Icon Packs has inspired you to enhance your Android experience. Let us know in the comments which icon pack is your favorite. See you in the next video.